Okay, this is the Nest Mini. I actually got that from Google for free. This is the second generation one, and I actually am a Google Hub user, so I actually wanted one extra for the office. I got one set up in the living room next to the other one, and then one up in the bedroom. So this one will be for the office. Thanks, Google. I got the charcoal version, so it'll work with YouTube Music, Spotify, Google Calendar, Google Maps, Google Duo, colored lighting. Controls TVs, lights, thermostats, groups. Alright. It's a nice rubbery feeling on this Google Mini. I like the felt like lining on the top. I do feel like it'll get a lot of dust though, and over time this may become sticky. That's how I feel right now. Here's the mute feature, power, and if you want to mount it, manuals, and the power plug. Nothing else. Again, I do wish they used a smaller version of this plug. Just not convenient when you're trying to plug things in with other setups. Next. Okay, so it says play and pause. Tap the center of your Nest Mini. Okay, I did that, nothing happened. Let's try it again. Nope. Change volume. It says tap the right or left to change the volume. When something is playing, the lights will turn on as your hand gets closer. I do see it on those corner ends there. Okay, next. The switch for mute. This is the mic switch.
The mic's off.
Says the mic's off now.
The mic's back on.
The mic's back on. Done. Office speaker is ready. Now let's explore what you can do.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Play some music. Just start with, hey Google, play some royalty-free music.
Playing albums is only available to Spotify Premium subscribers. But give this Spotify royalty-free music, acoustic guitar station a listen. And just an FYI, you can always say something like, set the volume to 3.
Hey Google, stop. Hey Google, tell me about my day.
Good morning. The time is 7:02 a.m.